Okay, what's up guys, Ken CJHQ here, and if this is on YCDG's channel, make sure to follow me and subscribe. Links down in the description for other socials, but today I'm going to be showing how to change an oil filter on a Ninja 250R. Mine is 2004, never owned a different bike except a Honda Grom, so if this helps you out, leave a comment down below and subscribe. But today, I'm warming it up right now just so the oil just flows nice, and I just gotta go to O'Reilly's to pick up my shit. Alright guys, so we're about to change it, and this is for the oil filter right here. The oil pan one's right here. So let's drain this. I don't know how much you're gonna be able to see just because this will be in the way, but I will try. Oh, that's the sun. Let's see from the back. How does that look? Looks relatively fine. Let's move it back a little bit more. Yeah, you should be able to. So it is an 18 for this. So I'm gonna break it loose first, and then, oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh shit, I'm just stripping it. Okay guys, my bad, I have lied to you. It is a 17. Let's see if I can break this loose. Oh my god, that is tight. It just sucks. I warmed it up just so it wouldn't. Yeah, let's do this one first. Oh my, oh wait, I'm tightening this bitch. That's probably why, motherfucker, I'm stupid. But that's the part of learning your own bike. Yeah. Come on. Okay, before this starts leaking, put the oil pan under. I wish I could lift up my bike. Fuck. Alright, but oh shit, but look how black that shit is. I definitely needed to change it. I'm gonna let it drip for a few and then take out the oil filter and change that. Okay guys, so while it's barely dripping, I'm about to let out the oil filter and let that come out as well. I'm just gonna remember it's towards the bike. Fuck. I could make it easier on myself by taking this off, but I was about to say, can I? Oh, there we go. There's all the oil. We struck oil. Don't tell America. Damn. Damn, that's... Rip this wrench. I guess we're about to see what filter this has, because I just got a KN one. Oh, there we go. And that's that. I'm just gonna let it drip more and put on a new filter and fill it up. Alright, so this is the filter I got, the KN. let's just hope it matches everything. It does come with a gasket. That's what I was worried about. And it does look like it is good. I'm just gonna have to put a little bit of oil on it, but this is the KN. Got to make sure to put the gasket on, and I'll see you guys once it's done draining and everything. All right, just so you guys can see, this is the filter. I mean the thing that holds it. This is the filter itself, and right here, I do need to put the tiny gasket. So let's open this up. And I will dab my finger just to get a little bit of lubricant oil on it. Motherfucker. Oh, thank God. I was like, shit, I just lost it. So let's just dab my finger in here. Get some oil everywhere and just lube this up and put it on. What? Oh. Where the fuck does... I've never done an oil change on a bike, so... Does it go on here? It has to. Right? Yeah. Pretty sure it just goes on here. Then... need to go like this. Hopefully it'll line up in the thing. Okay, there. I actually got, I don't know if you guys can tell, I actually got that perfect. And now it's time to just get some more lubricant on my finger and just go around making sure this is all nice and lubed up, like I'm gonna make your mother. But let's press this down. Make sure it's all the way down. There we go. So that is this portion done. All I got to do now is just put this back on and tighten it and put the drain plug in and fill this up. So let's do that. All right, with that, I'm just gonna grab some paper towels to wipe off the oil. So, just so it's nice and clean. Just make sure this is all good. Get inside here. Yeah, that looks nice and clean, as you guys can see. And now we can get back to the filter. I'm just gonna put this here because it is dripping a little bit. But first, let's get this drain plug in. And I don't know how tight it's supposed to be, so I'm gonna just get it as tight as it was when I just took it off. You should do it to spec, but I don't know what spec is, you know. So, and if I had a ratchet, this would be a whole lot easier, because I'm also trying not to hit my fucking hand on the bike. But one more and I should be good. Yeah, there we go. And now it's time for this amazing, wonderful oil filter, which just fill around, you should feel it, and then just start twisting it into place. And just like that, we have completed an oil change. Which, once I get this, why? Come on, bro. Why is it taking forever? But this has helped you. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. It is getting there, right? But yeah, I see it slowly going. It's just so much. Maybe I have to use the fucking ratchet, so yeah. Oh, yep, there it is. And then mine does take 2 liters. I did pour a little bit extra in there, like when the drain plug was out, just so I could make sure it was all nice and clean. That is all good. No. And I just fucking realized I hit it over. No. But now we're just gonna do the oil. Yeah, sorry guys, I don't have a stand, but we have the oil plug in, we have the thing in, so now it's just time to add oil. Oop, and hopefully not miss, because oil is expensive. Just make sure to top her off. Make sure there's no leakage. No, there's just leakage from me missing the thing because I'm stupid. Wait. Okay, yeah, it's just coming from where I messed it. And before you start it, I will let it sit for a little bit and then check it. I am just gonna do 2 full quarts just to make sure it's okay if I have an overflow, because then I can just drain out a little bit. But with how much I'm missing, I doubt it's gonna be over. Make sure to get everything in there. And with that, 2 quarts, got the thing in. Just gotta get my oil cap back on, which I will wipe off, just because I dropped it and it does have old oil on it, so I want to make sure I have all that out. And let's just tighten this up. And that's 2 full quarts, and all I have to do, I'm gonna let it sit for like 5 minutes and then check the oil level. Okay, so with this bike, the way you tell is by just tipping it over, which hopefully I'm able to do, but you want to get it level, and as you can see, that has more than enough oil. Well, it's full, which is good. So now, just gonna run it, see if the oil light comes on. Oh, this is neutral, so that's good. Oil light, go away, no. What? Okay, thank God. I was like, what? I fucked up. But this thing has brand new oil in it, and it should be good for another couple thousand miles.